Okay guys, I hope you are doing good. In this video we will learn how to use Canva and we will be making a shape with some graphics or some images, and we will learn a lot of features in the Canva. Okay, so first we have to do is click on this tab. It's poster, or you can select other project type. We will now create on the create blank option. Okay, now we are here. Just give it a second guys. So now we will upload our file. Okay, so now we'll click on the upload files button. Okay, then we go where is our picture. So in my case I have it here. I will click on this. Okay, now you can see I uploaded my picture. You can see here, and you can grab this picture here on your artboard or your canvas, whatever you can say. Okay, so now we will just minimize this. Okay, what we are getting here. Okay, no worries. So now we will do is just make copies of it. So we have to click on this button, add page, and now we control, okay, control C it, or we can just click on this copy and I will paste it here. So we have to do this for like how many items we have here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what we need is 9 pages. I will explain it how the videos goes, why we are doing this. Okay, so now we will just create these pages: page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9, page 10, just in case one extra. Okay, so what we will do is we copied the page, like this image we have copied, so now we will just paste it here. Okay, we will allow this. Now we'll copy this image here, and now we will do the same for every image. So I will be using Control plus V command. Okay, Control plus V command we are using. If you are in Mac, it will be, I guess, Alt plus V, or I guess it's Command plus V in the Mac. Control plus V. Okay, we'll grab this from here. Okay, now we are done with this. Okay, to make our face, first we have to remove these backgrounds for our every element in the image. So what we will do this is, first we will grab the head. Okay, we will grab this head in this image. So first we will have to crop the image. Okay, if we are cropping this head here, we will make this our head. This fruit image we will crop first. Okay, now we have cropped this image, and now I will be enlarge it like this. And to remove this background, we have to go this, just click on the image, and then we will go to the eraser tool, then we will click on the pixel eraser. Okay, now we got this appearance here, and what we will do is, first I will just select this and make this large, and what we'll do is just erase everything except the yellow ball like element in the right. Okay, so I'm done with this. What I will do is just smaller the size of eraser. Now I will zoom on this here. So you have to be very careful with this. You can use your mouse and just be carefully do this. If you are using mouse, it will be very easy with the mouse. In my case, I'm using my laptop, so it's kind of tricky for me. Okay, now we will just complete this. Okay, I've done this, and now we'll just remove the other empty space background. Okay, guys, now you remove the background with Canva eraser tool, and this is free. In the free version, remove the background. You can zoom out and do the more detailed version of this. Okay, it's on you guys how fine you want your picture to be. So I guess it's fine for me. I'll just also do that. And now then I will click on the done button. Okay, and now I could just the image is here. Okay, remove the background. Okay, just like this we will remove all of these images backgrounds. Okay, just like other elements, now we will remove all of these elements background. So okay, first we will select this mushroom. To do this we have to crop this image like this and this. Okay, just zoom out the mushroom. Okay, now we will make this picture bigger, and now we will erase this, I mean erase the background of the image just like we did the previous image. Okay, now we'll go to the eraser tool here. Okay, it is showing me the full image. What we will do is, okay, we'll just use this small eraser and then this. To easily cut this image, what we will do is just slowly move our cursor around the corners of this mushroom first. Okay, so we will complete it first, all of the corners of the mushroom, just left clicking the mouse and moving it around the corners. And after that we will remove all of the background of the image, and then we will got the full image without background. So now easily cut all of the mushrooms background. Now we will increase the brush size of our eraser just by moving it to the right, the perfect size you want. Okay, so now we will move remove all of the background of the image. Now you can see I have completed all of the background removing, and now I will click on the done button. So guys, you can see we have removed the background of this mushroom image. So we will do the same for every other element in this pictures. Okay, so now we'll go with the red picture. To easily remove the background of this image, like from the corners, you can just more zoom in to the image as per your requirement or as you feel normal, and you can easily remove this background. Okay, so you can see I have zoom into the image, and now I can easily see the corners of this image to remove the background. Just like this image and the previous image, we will remove all of the images background in every page of this Canva. Okay. So guys, you can see we have removed all of the backgrounds from all of the images here. So now we will start making our surface. So we will go to our first image that we have removed the background of. So now we have this image. So first we will attach our chef head to the face. So now we will do is just right click on this image, okay, like this, and then we will click on the copy. You can also use the Ctrl plus C command, or whatever command works in your computer, or just click on the Ctrl plus C or copy. Then we go here, click on this canvas or artboard, and we will just paste it here. So now we will click on this image and drag it to the top. So to small this image, to make this image smaller, we will just click on this arrow when you go on the corner of the image square, and then we drag it again here. Now we guys got the chef head here. Okay, so what we will do guys, here we can just look at the image. Okay, now we will have its mouth. Okay, where we got the mouth? Okay, just again guys, copy it. We will use the Ctrl plus C command. Okay, now we'll paste it here. Now I got the eyes, oh sorry, mouth. We will get it here, and just to make this picture bigger, we will just go here and click on it and then expand. Now we got his mouth large, and just place it here. Okay, so again, now we will make its eyes. Okay, so, so to do his eyes, what we need is this orange. Control plus C again. So what we need is two eyes, so we will Control plus V here, and again two times, because we need two eyes, so one will go here and just make it bigger. I guess this should be fine, or whatever is fine for you. And same size of this side. Okay, now we got the two eyes. I think we need some bigger eye. Okay, okay, here. And now we need is the inside eyeball, so we'll use this side, copy, and then paste it over here. Just what we will have to do is make it smaller, and then control plus C this size, and then control plus P, and then we will grab this one to here. Okay, just here. We'll some zoom out, sorry, zoom in for better clarity. Now we got that, guys. You are doing very good by this far, and now we'll make her his eyebrows. Okay, so to do his eyebrows, what we have to do is copy this here. Now we have copied this here, and now we make it now we will make it small. Okay, so to do this right eyebrow, what we need is to control plus C, control plus V, make it copy, and now we'll have to do is flip this element. So to flip this, we will go to the flip option here, but before that we have to click on this image, then we'll go to the flip, and we will click on the flip horizontal. Okay guys, now we got his eyebrows here. Okay, so now we will go to the his nose part. Here it is. Okay, now we got the nose part. We'll copy it, then we'll go to his face, and now we'll paste it here. Just drag it in the center. Okay, so we got a pretty and funny face here, and what we have made his ears and his bow tie. Okay, so first we will do is like, what is this? Ears. Okay, we got this image here, then now we will paste it here. Sorry, now the remaining part is bow tie, control plus copy, and just place it here. So guys, now we have completed this safe face by just dragging and some removing backgrounds of the images, and now we can totally make a safe face or any other images in Canva without using the Canva without using the Canva Pro version. So you can also make these pretty faces, funny faces, whatever you want to make. Okay guys, tata, bye bye.